Hey everyone, the given question is from the topic of work, energy, and power. The question is from JEE Advance 2023, paper 1. So over here we have this setup over given, right here given, and we have this ball, this inclined, this frictionless curve surface is there, okay? The ball comes from here to here, and then this is the trajectory. There's no friction over here, right? We have the coefficient of restitution to be equal to 1 by root 3. We need to calculate these following things, like we need to check if they are right. Now, first of all, u naught is equals to root 2 gh is right straight away by energy conservation, which says half m u naught square will be equal to the net final energy, which was initial energy, which was mg into h. So root 2 gh by it's there. That's in the x direction. We know that. Now V option B is directly wrong because it's minus z over here, and minus z is just not possible after collision. Yeah, we'll still calculate the value of V. Let us say this is your point A, okay? Now let's analyze point A. So at point A, u naught will remain u naught, okay? Because there's no force acting on the x direction. And then there will be one uy, E times of uy. Okay, because we have a coefficient restitution uy, okay, let's call it ux, okay, and let's say ux is equals to u naught, uy is equals to v is equals to u plus 80. So u is 0, so it's 80, right? So it's g into t, that is the time of flight. Or we can do it like this: v square minus is equals to 2 gh, right? Yeah, so uy is equals to root 6 gh. Energy conservation also we can use for this, okay? So euy means we have to divide by root 3, that would be root 2 gh, okay? So what's happening is we have root 2 gh over here, and we have root 2 gh over here. So v is equals to root 2 gh x plus z, where in the option it is minus z. So that's the mistake. And for theta, tan theta is equals to uy by ux, agreed, and that is basically root 3, you can calculate, and that implies that theta is equals to 60 degrees. So option C is correct, and option D. Let's look at that. Let's first calculate the value of D. D would be u naught into T, which is equal to u naught into root of 3h by g, right? 2g, because half gt square is equals to h, so 2h by g, 2h, so 6 root 6h by g. So u naught is equals to root 2 gh, so root 2 gh into root 6 gh by g, okay? So g gets cancelled, we get root 12 into h. Right? Is time of flight correct? Like half gt square is equals to 3h, 6h by, yeah, that is correct. So we get 12h as d, right? Okay, and that is basically 2 root 3, right? So we get d by h to be equal to 2 root 3. Yeah, we got it from here. Option D is yeah, option D is right answer. Okay, so AC, okay, wait a second, that this is this h and this is h, but we need to, sorry, we still can't say if this is right, okay? This is a different h, we need to say h1. Now h1 is equals to E vy square, v square by 2 into g, okay? So vy square is what? 6. So it's 2gh C. 6gh, that's V uy square. 6gh by 2, so that is that by 3, so that is 2gh by 2g. So that implies h1 is equals to h. So this thing is still valid. This implies b by h1 is equals to 2 root 3. So option D is in fact right. So we have option A, C, D as the right answer to this question. Option A, C, and D. Thank you.